Hello everybody, today we will graph patterns and describe relationships between two sequences. So on our left here we have some data. If you look, we have day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this first column. The second column we have y1, which is going to go on our horizontal axis. And then we have y2, which is going to go on a vertical axis. Maybe this might be year 1 and this is year 2. And then we have our data. So we have 2. For day 1, we have 2 for y1 and 6. And then 4 and 8, 6 and 10, 8 and 12, and 10 and 14. So let's graph this out first. First point is 2 on a horizontal axis and 6 on the vertical axis. Next, 4 and 8. Then the next ordered pair is 6 and 10. Then 8 and 12. And 10 and 14. Now we could join these points. As you can see, the pattern becomes very clear when we look at the graph. Now let's answer the question, what is the relationship between the two sequences? So we're looking at the sequence y1 and y2. So what's the relationship between 2 and 6 and 4 and 8 and 6 and 10? And we're going to describe that relationship mathematically. So we're going to add something or subtract something or multiply or divide. So in this case, if you see 2 and 6, 4 and 8, 6 and 10, 8 and 12, what you realize is that we're adding 4 to the y1 to get y2. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 4 plus 4 is 8, 6 plus 4 is 10, 8 plus 4 is 12, and 10 plus 4 is 14. So what is the relationship between the two sequences? In this case, it's add 4, or you could write plus 4. And that would be the answer for this one. Now you have some to try on the Go Formative today. Give it your best shot and good luck.